beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're new to this channel, if today is your first time discovering this channel, oh my god, you are welcome, and I am so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy, and on this channel I'll be bringing you latest news and gists. And if you would like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on the red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Biafras, IPOP, Biafras all over the world are the great una for the language we una go understand. Biafras all over the world, IPOP all over the world are the great una for the language we una go understand. Wetin I dey wan let una know be say, you see the tactics where they use for us. So the tactics, I want make una see these tactics where these Fulani they use for us today. I want to see una with these tactics where Fulani they use for us, where Nigeria soldiers they use for us. Biafras all over the world, these tactics where they use for us. They go kill this one, 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 they go kill boys one by one. Biafras, IPOP. As we dey, so our leader we don't know where he dey. Our leader we don't know where we dey. Our politicians don't sell us out for these people. You see wetin they happen. Then they enter inside market, go shoot people. Biafras, these people they use another tactics. Now they don't kill 20. They kill 100. Last 2 months, that's so that they kill give 1, they kill 2, kill 3, kill 4, kill 5, kill 6, kill 7, kill 8, kill 9, kill 100, kill 200, kill 300. They are killing our people small. Now, see the video where they trade today. Say they enter inside market. Engine where they buy since last year. The soldiers now say they want change engine where they buy since last year. Now, they begin shoot people for inside market, now so they kill people. I want let you know one thing, say the system where they take they kill us, so we need to get sense. If it no concern you today, it go concern you tomorrow. If you no concern your brother, it go concern your sister. If they shoot me, if they won't kill me, my strength bullet will come meet you. I won't let Biafra know. I won't let Biafra know. And as I talk to our ancestors. I tell our ancestors, say the time don't reach. When me Ebita won't wake up for my sleep. Enough is enough for all this nonsense. Biafra, these people are using another tactics. They want to make sure say they kill our boys finish. I want tell everybody, every Biafra where they anywhere where you dey, time don't reach to carry your load. If you get your market, pack and go your domot, because when the thing said, you know go get them. Biafra, no concern us, no concern us. This is people where they inside market, they kill them. Biafra, no concern us. It no concern you, it no concern you, Biafra. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Our politician where they wait for our politician where they sell us out, that time don't reach that you are going to pay. That today you people are collecting money as we they talk now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we don't know where you dey. Who tell you say you know where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey? Who tell you see don't see am yesterday? We don't know what thing they pass through for there. We don't know where thing they pass through for there. The country where you hold in their passport now, the country don't talk another thing. The country where he stand as their citizen, you know hear what thing happen. At you now they hear them. Biafra, now only we go fit help ourselves. If we be 200 we go, if we die remain 5, the 5 will come and build Biafra again. This is one thing I want to tell Biafra this night. I know the reason why I come this night. If we be 200, if you die remain 2 or 5, the 5 will come and build Biafra. I'm telling Biafra to wake up. Nobody, you yourself where they betray Biafra because of say you they find money. Time is coming, you self no good. They will kill you. So Biafra, enough is enough. Nigeria government, enough is enough of all this nonsense. Enough is enough of all this nonsense. I will not be so long today. I don't want to talk anything today. But today now, enough is enough. I don't know where you people is going to see me on my life again. But what I'm telling you now that enough is enough. The way they are killing our people, I don't appreciate that. I don't just appreciate that. The patience of all these people, the tactics they are coming, they will kill somebody, they will kill me, they will kill another person, they will kill another person. Before you know, the boss would empty. No be the one where they adopt, go the key. So wetin I dey try, they tell you na Biafra. This sleep, where would they sleep? You dey see say that they kill your brother, it no concern you. You dey see say they kill your brother, it no concern you. Biafra waiting, what are we waiting for? All the soldiers you see today in Biafra land, all of them na Boko Haram. Those Boko Haram, they recruit into Biafra. They recruit into Nigeria soldiers. Now then they Biafra land. The Biafras I'm talking about, those soldiers, Nigeria soldiers, you are still calling your soldiers, you are still saying police. All of them are Boko Haram when no see chance to kill us. Now they don't give them gun and give them uniform. Now they operate everywhere. Biafra, this thing is getting out of hand. As we they talk, so our leaders will not know where it is. Now them say, now we see date today. Them say, now we see date today. The country where they capture our leader, they see they live free. You wake up tomorrow, yesterday they don't kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. What will you do? You don't go check now. You know where the man dey. Do you know where the man dey today? Hi. Biafra. May God open our eyes and see wetin dey come on. Every day they kill our brother, they kill our sisters as we dey talk so. Every day they kill our brothers, they kill our sisters. Every day they kidnap our boys. Your pikin dey go business, he never come back. They don't kill him. Every day they destroy us, they go. Every day they kill us, they go. Biafras, every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Every day Nigeria they kill us, they go. Then they kill us for foreign land. They kidnap our savior now. Is in their custody now. They are planning to kill him. We are still alive. I know say God Almighty is there, but Biafra, let me tell you, the system they are using on us today is very dangerous. They are catching our people one by one. They shoot one, Biafra. They shoot two, Biafra. Hey, you don't know, now only 2 people die. Tomorrow, hey, now only 100 die. Next tomorrow, now only 200 die. Next tomorrow, now only 300 die. Before you know it, complete 1 million. It no happen to you today as you dey go for road, you dey inside motor, night police go just shoot gun, e kill you all. You know the motor where they travel from east to north, they travel from east to Lagos, where they capture, kill everybody for them. You don't know, no picture sure. Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Everybody should stop all this. Your market, everybody should stand attention and let us know what we are going to do. Every activity to close in our country, every activity to close in Igbo land, and let us know where we are going right now. We cannot continue like this, Biafra. They are going to kill us one by one before we know our backyard don't empty. They are killing us very slowly. All the police you see today is Boko Haram. All the soldiers you see today, they are all Boko Haram, where they don't recruit into Nigeria soldiers to kill us. This is people they bring for foreign land to kill me and you, Biafra. Oh, Kwabasimimbo. too tough. My brothers in the bush, the time is here, man. The time is here, man. You volunteer to take your life. You volunteer to do whatever you want to do for Biafra. But this time coming out, don't coming out with no mercy. Anyone that coming out, if this time everybody come out with no mercy. Come out with no mercy. Biafra coming out now is coming out with no mercy. We're coming out with no mercy. Our leader now, we don't know where he is. Now every day they see picture. Every day I feel like hearing his voice. But nowhere to be found. I no fit hear his voice again. I no fit hear our leader voice again. Where he dey? Now as they talk now, they don't postpone the court. They don't postpone them. They don't postpone them. They don't tell the woman, make it say he no fit, he won't resign, he won't come out. So that make they postpone them. Before they postpone this thing, Biafra make we understand. Our leader, where he dey? Who don't hear for our leader? Please make it talk tomorrow morning, please. Who don't talk to our leader? Who don't see they talk to our leader since when the lawyer go see him? Anybody will go see him again yesterday or day before? Make it let us know. What happened now? Make it let us know. Make it let us know. Biafra, what's up now? What did they happen? When they kill our people, they go like this. Inside market, they see they enter the key. No God, no be say that they inside market because you they look for Biafra. Hi, Jesus. Nigeria government, enough is enough of all this nonsense. And I'm telling everybody in eastern part of Nigeria, I'm telling everybody in Akwa Ibom, in Cross River State, I am telling everybody in Cross River State, now is back to back. Cross River State go hear am. I dey tell you now, me where I come, and then go hear am. Cross River State una go hear am. Akwa Ibom State una go hear am. Because you governor of Akwa Ibom State who never talk put for this matter. You governor of Cross River State who never talk put for this matter. You think say na only Igbo people get am. You think say na only Igbo people na they suffer. Cross River State una go feel am. Una go feel am o. I dey swear una go feel am. Because all of una don't leave the work for the Igbo speaking language. Una go hear am. I swear to God. Cross River State governor, you never speak against this evil. Cross River State governor, you never speak against this evil. Your brothers and your sisters are dying every day. Your brothers and your sisters are dying every day. Akwa Ibom State governor, you never speak against this evil. He no concern you, he go concern you very soon. The rain won't fall now. He go beat you for inside your parlor. He go beat you for inside your parlor. Cross River State, the rain where they fall now, he go beat you now, especially you people that are staying in the town. You go see him, you go fear. You go fear. Because we can no longer, I will never be alive and see my people suffering like this. You keep quiet. Akwa Ibom State governor, una keep quiet. Una keep quiet. You no concern una. Ma ba se me ru kenyo. Afro wo yeko benyo. Afro wo yeko. You cannot sit down in your palace. You cannot sit down inside your AC. Where fire they burn, you cannot. Our brothers, they kill our brothers and our sisters. You know mine. Then they keep Biafras. None of you they talk. Look at what is happening in North every day. You see their people are still supporting their people. You know concern una. Abasi song. Abasi song efo. Mukbu song efo. Inyero kemo. Ya song ra. Ka kusai mi riga di du kan ni ti win ni to nyino. Akusai mi riga di bo nyini song. Because idia ka akusai bo nyini song ni yami ko du kammo. Akusai di bo nyini song ni yami ko du kammo. Akusai bu song ni ebo no Cameroon. Akusai na me fitting mo enam de. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Maison e gamen on ni to ikon mi maison. Uvala bezong di baro ikon ni maison e non ni to. E maison e non ni to ikon ni maison. E go ba ni ba udon ikon ni maison e non ni to. E maison e non ni to ikon mi maison e non. See, there is nothing would make you no feel the heat. There is nothing would not make a Cross River State to feel the heat. We have been patient. This patient is for nothing. This patient is for nothing. You cannot keep quiet and see our brothers be dying. They die. You are not talk. If they talk, it's a 5 state. Which dirty 5 state? Where are the Biafras? Where are the governors of Akwa Ibom State and Cross River State? Why would I know the talk? My brothers in Akwa Ibom State, everybody should stand at attention. The time don't reach. The time of staying inside bush for long don't reach. We know they stay inside bush again. The time don't reach for this nonsense to stop. Why must you be sitting on in your comfortable home and your brothers and sisters are dying? Our Biafra brothers are dying every day. Tell me the offense of our leader now, the leader of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Can somebody tell me his own offense? That is asking for the good of my family, for the better of my children, for the better of my state, for the better of the futures of our people. That is what he's asking for. Nigerian government. You see all of una when they support Nigeria. You see all of una when they support Nigeria. Where una they stay, where una they drive una motor, na for Biafra land, una go collect, una go see am. I say, you see all of una when they drive motor, you see all of una when they Biafra land, because una know they stay north. All of una know they stay north, una they stay for Biafra land. No wahala. May God bless Biafras all over the world. You see una when you are senator, you see when una will be governor, you see when una dey so, no wahala. Una dey Biafra land, no wahala. Let me tell you, no problem. It's just here. May God bless Biafra. May God bless everyone who watched my program. Please share my message. Tell the governor of Cross River State that enough is enough. That it cannot be in that seat where they are killing our brothers in our neighboring land, in our neighboring town, and they will not open mouth and talk. They cannot sit there peaceful again. I'm telling everybody to come out inside bush. You cannot sit down there and keep quiet. Say because of they share you to be Cross River State. They don't do want your photo. They don't do want can sit there ni tomufo. They don't do want suffer some the ton anybody. They don't do want for the Biafra. You are a big fool for that. You cannot stay there peaceful. The Cross River State cannot stay there peaceful when they are killing our brothers. We cannot stay there because you people are politicians who sit down.